Welcome to the MyOTC Waitlisting tutorial. To begin, use your internet browser to navigate to my.otc.edu. Click the orange Login button in the center of the page and use your OTC username and password to log in to MyOTC. Select the three horizontal white bars on the top of the vertical dark gray bar to the left of the page to expand the navigation menu. Select the down-facing arrow to the right of Academics and again to the right of Student Planning to expand the navigation menu. Select View Plan and Register. Please note that this tutorial is for students who have already planned sections. For information on planning courses, please watch either MyOTC Planning Tutorial or MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning Tutorial. On the left-hand side of the main window, there is a list of courses you've planned. Find the course card of the section with a waitlist and select Waitlist to be added to the waitlist. If you haven't planned a section but have found one with a waitlist you would like to join, select Add Section and confirm in the section details how many students are on the waitlist. Click Add Section and view the course card on the left-hand list to click Waitlist and join the waitlist. Make sure you do not waitlist a course that conflicts with a registered course and be aware of the start date. If you do not get registered for a course as the start nears, find another section or another class that fits your schedule and program requirements. After being added to the waitlist, you will be automatically enrolled if a seat becomes available and you are next on the list. A notification will be sent to your OTC email if you are enrolled. Please check your email daily for confirmation of enrollment. For additional information on planning and registration, please watch MyOTC Degree Audit and Planning Tutorial, MyOTC Planning Tutorial, MyOTC Registration Tutorial, and MyOTC Drop or Withdrawal Tutorial. Thank you for watching the MyOTC Waitlisting tutorial.